Howdy, it's me, William, and this is not what it looks like. We're actually filming with a UV camera that has nothing to do with this video. We're out in the desert with Andy of how to make everything or anything. I don't know, we'll figure that out later and put it on the screen. And we're gold mining, dry washing I think it's called. They're down there doing their thing, and we're not doing any work right now. Also, cameraman John is dual wielding cameras right now, which looks pretty sweet. Andy had contacted us a couple months ago asking if we wanted to try and build something to go gold mining. We ended up not building anything. And then we also ended up telling him really last minute that we were gonna come. So we just drove 3 hours last night. So the plan tomorrow is to just go mining for gold, right? Like do you guys have any other special plans or just trying to find some gold?
We're just trying to find some gold.
I borrowed my caretaker's car instead of taking my beater. Okay. So we should be up there in like 3 hours. And here we are now. I don't really know what's going on. We're sort of just along for the ride. So let's go down there to where the loud noises are. I gotta put my desk mask on or I'm gonna die of, what did he say? Valley fever. I stole my mom's metal detector and, are there gloves in here? Oh yeah! We don't know how it works though. She's got headphones too? Oh man, oh there's a manual! Oh no, it's very long though. Did we just try to use it? Okay, see, cameraman John gets it. That's how real men do things. You throw away the instructions, make sure you remember where they are though so that when we panic last minute we can come back and get them. It's like 90% of IKEA furniture gets assembled. There's gotta be an on button somewhere. Wow, this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, on. You know what? We're reading the instructions. No! Come on! It's very annoying. Also, I feel kind of bad that they're doing all this work down there. We're just sitting here trying to make a metal detector work. Positive and negative response. Oh dear, I think this is gonna take more than 5 minutes. Relic hunting, gold prospecting. Oh, is this just fun facts about gold? It is. Just give me instructions. Give me like some basic instructions book. Distinguishing electromagnetic interference from other problems. Dude, this is like a textbook. Why can't this thing just say how to find like large amounts of gold? Treasure Hunter's Code of Ethics. Not gonna read that. Let's go kick some butt and find some gold. And we're all out of butt to kick. 1 second, I gotta look cool. I'm sorry. Come on. Come on. Come on. How do I make this thing tighten? What is happening? What? Wait, what? What is happening? I can't tell. I just realized that I don't care either, and my saggy fanny pack's just gonna be saggy. There's metal in your drone! Just letting you know. This thing is just screaming at me. Have no fear, William's here with a metal detector that he doesn't know how to use. Do you have like a 30-second crash course on metal detectors? Just out here prospecting. Do you want to make a bet if we find gold or not? What are you for it? We find gold? If we don't find gold, I owe you $5. If we do find gold, I owe... Why are your fingers covered in gold? Is that spray paint? So either you're really hot and you're melting the gold, or you won the bet. Hey Andy, check it out. Can you give us a professional opinion on this nugget John found?
That's the biggest nugget I've ever seen.
Is it abnormally shaped?
Yeah, it would be a little more rounded.
Yeah, it seems to be leaking a little bit too. His hands are covered in.
It's kind of light.
Yeah.
Gold would be about 10 times heavier almost than this stuff.
So you lied.
And there's nuggets in here that are detectable.
Good. So the settings are perfect because it doesn't do anything when it hits the gold nuggets, but it screams on the ground.
This is just a note to all the viewers. The field isn't the time to try out a new detector. For these little bitty nuggets, they actually take a rake and pull off an inch and metal detect it. They'll clear a spot maybe 10 feet wide and 2 or 3 feet thick, you know. See, your ground balance is all left.
Turn the detector on and set the gain at the 12 o'clock position.
Yeah, you're not at 12, okay.
Oops. Click the right knob to the all metal mode. Rotate the threshold control knob to the point where you hear a slight background hum. Till you hear the metal detector scream for the sweet relief of death.
There.
Pump up and down within 1 inch of the ground to 6 to 8 inches above the ground. Nice. Would you be surprised if we found any gold?
I'd say yes. and I would bet I can get more gold with my dry washer than you will get detecting all day long.
Just say like yes, like
Yes.
that whole thing's gonna go in there, I feel like, including, that's how we do things. We should probably do like some form of intro. We're here today with...
Hi, I'm Alan Chenworth.
And
I'm Andy.
is it how to make everything or anything?
Everything.
Everything. Close enough. And that's it. What are we doing?
We're dry washing.
Dry washing and
We're looking for gold, baby.
we're metal detecting. And you guys are doing hard labor.
Yes.
What are the chances we find any gold today?
Slim to none.
Okay.
So it says maybe.
So there could be staples,
Well, there could also be black sand,
black sand.
which is iron.
Gold mining is more fun when you're not the one doing it. Show me what you got.
Tell me what I got.
Mud.
The other thing most gold hunters do, headphones. Because your little nuggets, especially, or your really deep targets, will be a very faint signal.
What if I want to be listening to like thumping Katy Perry music? The left ear is Katy Perry and the right ear is my metal detector. You know what? Screw it. Both ears are Katy Perry.
Here's what we're looking for. Got a little nugget.
That's pretty good. That's really good.
What?
What do you think it's worth?
$10.
It's kind of sad when you think of it that way. What are you making anyways?
I don't know. See, notice how coarse this is? This is very near the source. It's not weathered at all.
So back to the pile?
Man, yeah, he tanned just dark and I was so jealous.
My grandma lives in Cabo and she looks like a leather couch. Hey Andy, what you doing?
Oh, we probably got 30, 40 bucks.
Nice. So this is a whole day of dry panning, 30, 40 bucks for half a day. We should do a conversion from gold nuggets to chicken nuggets.
That sounds great.
All we gotta do is weigh it.
How many McNuggets can I get for $5?
20 pieces, $5.29.
Okay, is there any way I can pay with gold? Oh my god, they're considering it. With gold. No? This is like exactly $5 worth of gold. I'll put the extra quarter on top of it.
Yeah, but we can, I'm sorry.
So just cash?
Yeah, or cards.
Okay.
That's pretty cool though.
I tried. We wanted to see how many McNuggets you could buy with a gold nugget.
That's pretty good.
And I think the answer is about 20. 20 McNuggets. Myth proved. If you want that sweet, sweet, fake, completely 100% legitimate California, not spray painted rocks gold nuggets, leave a comment. And last but not least, go check out How to Make Everything. You can learn to appreciate how hard it is to actually make some of the things you use every day. Like ice cream. Do you use ice cream every day? If you do, you maybe should actually stop using ice cream every day. Okay, now see you next time.
Coordinate your shirt for today.
Yeah, I pick my own outfits. Is that a compliment or?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I thought you had a caretaker do that for you.
Well, I mean sometimes.
Does your caretaker buy the clothes for you?
She does, yeah.
And you just pick which ones you wear.
Right. I piece the outfit together. Yeah. I like, you know, I think
Really?
fashion is kind of a hobby.